Hello, my name is Lydia Fry. For the Futures Project, I will be presenting the topic of Pakistan's irrigation for agriculture. Over the years, agriculture has been extremely important to Pakistan's economic growth and development. The agriculture sector employs almost half of the country's labor force, supplies key inputs to the country's manufacturing sector, generates a significant share of export earnings, and nourishes a fast-growing population. Research has identified several measures that can help agricultural productivity growth. These include increasing the efficiency of water use in the Indus River Basin irrigation system, especially in the face of climate change. Agriculture is considered the backbone of Pakistan's economy, which depends mostly on its major crops. Agriculture directly supports the country's population and accounts for 26% of gross domestic product, GDP. The major agricultural crops include cotton, wheat, rice, sugarcane, fruits, and vegetables. The irrigation system of Pakistan is one of the world's largest systems that goes toward agricultural production. Because Pakistan is an agricultural country, water scarcity in agriculture will have major negative impacts on its economics because agriculture directly subsidizes its GDP and more than 40% of labor is directly or indirectly engaged in this sector. There is a big difference from what crops are actually grown versus crops attempted to grow, which suffers due to a lack of appropriate technology, use of inputs at improper times, unavailability of water, and land use. To avoid these problems, the government of Pakistan should launch new funding programs for the development of the agricultural sector. Precipitation and river flows are the two major water sources for agriculture. Yearly rainfall in Pakistan varies from less than 4 inches in the southwestern region and over 60 inches in the foothills and northern mountains. Most summer rains are not available for crop production because of rapid runoff during torrential showers. Glacier melt, snow melt, rainfall, and runoff make the river flow. Inflow measurement facilities have been established at the rim of the Indus River tributaries and are referred to as rim station inflows. This helps with the management of water in the Indus Basin and areas outside the basin. Construction of large storage reservoirs would require a period of 10 to 12 years. Water management will be the only workable option for the next decade. The low cost of water sourced from the irrigation system contributes to the overuse of water by the agricultural sector. According to an International Monetary Fund report, charges for the use of canal water are only able to cover 25% of annual operating and maintenance costs. In much earlier times, there was established the Canal Drainage Act of 1873, which included a water tax known as the Abhiana on farmers using the irrigation system. The Abhiana kept the system profitable until the early 1970s when Zulfikar Ali Bhutto imposed a limit on future increases to the Abhiana. Currently, agriculture is one of the least taxed sectors in the country as it accounts for less than 1% of total tax revenue. Increasing the price of water taken from the irrigation system could help in reducing wastage and generate profits that could then be reinvested into the system. Listed here are planned options for meeting water shortages. The World Bank approved $380 million to continue supporting farmers in Punjab province of Pakistan. To use water more efficiently, adopting and installing drip and sprinkler systems will significantly reduce widespread, wasteful irrigation techniques. The project has contributed to increased agricultural production, employment and pay, higher living standards, and improvements in the environment. The drip and sprinkler system more than doubles the efficiency of water use. In concluding, as Pakistan is ever growing, the country will need to continue to change with times. Technology will help in improving the use of irrigation water and the efficiency of agriculture. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.